Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am currently at the airport and I'm going to Dubai. Honestly don't know what this video is going to be about, but since you guys want to see more lifestyle, I'm going to try and show my entire trip. I'm actually going there for the next 10 days to get my golden visa. So I'll probably document the process, show you some fun stuff as well because I honestly love Dubai. I haven't been there for the last 2 years. My dad actually stays there, so I'm excited to meet him and go to all the new restaurants, try all the viral food that's all open there. It's currently raining in Delhi and I am actually pretty scared to take the flight. So hungry, so first I'm gonna go and get some food. I'm confused between Carnatic Cafe and Subway. Subway is fit check. Not the country's airport outfit, whether it works. Landed in Dubai, got my bag. The flight was pretty delayed, but it was a good flight, very smooth. And now I'm just going to wait for my dad to pick me up. Hi guys, so it's day 2 in Dubai and my first proper day here. So yesterday I forgot to vlog completely after the airport, but I didn't do much. My dad picked me up, we came back and then quickly went for dinner. We went to the Emirates Mall and went to the Godiva Cafe, had some amazing desserts. My vacation calories don't count, so my binge starts from today. And but I'm still going to the gym, so this is my gym fit. The plan for today is that first we're gonna go and like get in a quick workout, and then I have to go for my blood test. The reason I'm here for my golden visa, so I have to get a couple of blood tests, some x-rays, and I don't think I'll be able to document much from that. But after that I'm planning to go to the mall. This is the view from my bed, and I mean, just imagine waking up to this every day. It is so stunning. So apparently there have been sandstorms happening and that's why it's a little bit hazy. But still, this is the view from the 8th floor. I cannot even imagine how amazing this will look at night from like rooftop bars. And you can see the Burj from here. Hi guys, so I'm all ready and I'm just heading out to Dubai Mall right now. There are a few things I need to see. Firstly, I want to go and find myself a bag that I've been waiting to buy. A. B. I want to go and visit Chinatown because I've heard they've got really nice food stuff there and it's just really aesthetic to go and see. And thirdly, I want to go visit Leto Cafe. I don't know if you've heard about it, but Alia Bhatt said that it's this place which has her favorite milk cake, the Tres Leches cake. So, and I love Tres Leches even back home. So I'm excited to go and try that out. It's also got really good like bowls and like salads and just general food. So yeah, I'll take you guys along. It's the outfit of the day. I just love the set. It's so comfy and looks super cute. Look at the star at the back. Reach Dubai Mall and every time I come here I just see a new area. This was a Dubai waterfall and they have an Olympic size ice skating ring. How cool is that? There's so much to do here. I don't even know where should I start and where should I end. Okay, so first we're going to start with Chinatown. I mean, just look at that. I felt like I've been teleported to China. This was the prime spot to get your pictures clicked. Had lots of authentic Chinese restaurants and traditional craft shops. The area has all your food restaurants. Food court that's there. Also found world's most affordable Michelin star restaurant. I'm honestly not in the mood to eat Chinese right now, so I'm gonna go and find Leto because I want to try the Tres Leches and just have some healthy bowls. And this was Alia Bhatt's viral Tres Leches cake and they had so many other desserts to choose from. I've never had hot fruit tea like this. This is hot fruit tea. This is what flavor?
It's passion fruit and sea back.
The katsu chicken bowl and salad was amazing, but honestly the Tres Leches was so average. Next, I went and saw some options for the bag I wanted. I wasn't sure which one to get, so wait till the end of the video to see which one I got. Also, Dubai Fountain is under renovation, so that was a bummer. Shopping in Dubai is like really expensive. Everything is double the price. Like I went to the Zara store, and everything that I bought from Zara India was available here, but for double the price. Even the H&M, and even the Cetaphil face wash that I ordered on Blinkit, which is like for 300 rupees something here, the small size, is like for 7 or 800 here. So everything is like 2x the price. For dinner, I went to one of my favorite spots, Blue Waters, which is the perfect mix of beach and city vibes. It's got the Dubai Eye and lots of beachfront restaurants, perfect place to walk around. I went to this place called Clay, which is a Japanese restaurant. We were lucky enough to find a table with the best view. It was literally facing the Dubai Eye. And don't even get me started about the food. It was the best sushi I've had in my entire life. This was some sort of smoked torch tuna. Still dreaming about this. Ended with some mango souffle and just called it a night. Morning guys, it's day 3 and this is the padded night suit that I had made the YouTube short about, and just look at it. I'm going for breakfast in the morning without wearing a bra or without caring about what I need to wear under, and I can just, it's so cute, I can just roam around the hotel wearing this. So it's really a good find. The plan for today was first I had to go to the airport to pick up Arnav, and then we were planning to go to Kite Beach. It was honestly really far from where we were staying, but thank God we made it in time to catch the perfect sunset. And that was my fit check. It was honestly such a beautiful day, but it was so hot, so we just ate something, enjoyed the sunset and left. After that, we just wanted to chill and enjoy Dubai views and grab dinner with the Burj right in front of us. And for dessert, we went to this really famous place called Public. It's known for its tiramisu, so if you're a tiramisu lover, don't miss this. They presented it in a really fancy way, but honestly I just couldn't wait to eat it. The best part is the outdoor seating literally faces the Burj, and honestly I can tell you this was the best tiramisu I've had in my life. It was 100 on 10 and definitely worth the hype. Going to take some nice content against the Burj. So we're finding a spot that I've searched. So let's see how it comes. On this bridge to get the Burj view, that view for the videos. So let's see. Hi guys, so another day, and the plan for today is first we're going to go get some breakfast, and after that we're planning to visit Old Dubai. We're going to get off at the famous Starbucks and just explore around. That's the outfit, and it's got a really nice back. These heels. First stop was the famous Starbucks. Built inside a traditional mud-style house, it was so aesthetic and something you can only find in Dubai. Food and coffee was same as everywhere else. And guys, I swear I didn't plan this, but my outfit just went so well with the entire aesthetic, and I had to take some pictures. I honestly came here just for the experience. I've never visited Old Dubai before. It's got museums, multiple art galleries, also shopper's paradise if you love unique traditional stuff. And guys, the views, it's giving old school architecture and it's just so aesthetic. Had this ice cream which was honestly so yum. Also guys, I spotted Bestie's Cafe. If you watch Dubai Bling, you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll find little shops selling everything from spices to carpets to perfumes. Lots of handmade crafts and textiles. Shopped a little bit and quickly headed back to make it in time for the dinner I've been waiting for. This was the newly opened Atlantis de Royale. And that's the outfit of the night, a simple white jumpsuit with statement gold earrings. Explored the hotel a bit and then went for dinner to Nobu by the beach. Honestly, didn't enjoy the food at all. It was very average. So much content on my G7X that I'm so excited to post. Guys, the view was so good, so we sat for a couple of drinks and called it a night. Good morning guys, so it's another day, and I've not planned today's day yet, but we are going to first go to Dubai Mall to try the viral paratha burger that I'm really excited about. It was all over my Instagram feed. We went to Old Dubai yesterday, and I got a really nice perfume. So there are lots of shops there that you can get perfumes at a very discounted price. So yeah, even I think they have branded perfumes also, which you can get at a really discounted price. So I'm going to attach them here. I got this perfume I was trying to find since a very long time, and I was so excited to finally find it at like almost 60 to 75% discount. That's the perfume. It's like a rose and vanilla oud, and I've been finding this since a really long time. I think the original MRP is anywhere between like 10 or 11,000, and I got it for like 5,300 Indian rupees. Also, I've barely done any makeup right now because it's so hot outside. Like the minute you step off, your makeup like melts off. So and my skin is breaking out. Like you can see, I've got 3 pimples. Like whenever I need to go anywhere, my skin breaks out. But when I'm sitting at home, it's just flawless. Tell me this is not just me. But anyway, so I've just put a little bit of skin tint, barely anything, and just a little bit of lip and cheek tint, and just this lipstick. Got myself this white chocolate matcha, and they have such cute donuts, the minion one, the Labubu ones. It's really nice. This viral paratha burger place called Clay was all over my Instagram feed, and there was literally a 40 minutes line.
You can drink karak chai. This is karak chai.
They gave us karak chai to have while we wait. Finally got a place after literally 40 minutes, and these were the food options. So they use crispy, flaky paratha buns and stuff it with meat and basically make a burger out of it. We ordered the chicken shawarma and the butter chicken. The butter chicken one was good, not as spicy as I would like, but we definitely get better ones at home. But the chicken shawarma one was so average. And tonight's gonna be my last dinner here. I know I said I'm here for 10 days, but my work got done early, so I preponed my ticket. So we wanted the last dinner to be extra special, so we went to this place called Atmosphere, which is inside Burj Khalifa. It's on the 122nd floor, and I honestly enjoyed the view so much that I forgot to vlog anything. So this is just some of the food we ate. Last dessert before I literally get back to working out. Went for a walk after dinner and literally found the perfect spot to take pictures. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see. And now it's time for the unboxing. I got myself a Dior bag. I know it's not the most aesthetic unboxing, but I was doing this right before the airport, so please bear with me. I saw many bags, but the minute I saw her, I knew I wanted to get her. It's a Lady D Joy in black color. Also, how cute are these gold Dior charms? And that's the end of the vlog. Do like and subscribe and let me know what you would like to see next.